Impeachment in the Constitution is basically you can impeach the president, you can impeach Supreme Court justices and justices for high crimes and misdemeanors. Impeachment has been used against Andrew Johnson after Abraham Lincoln died. The radical Republicans impeached him, and he did not get removed from office because the Senate, by one vote, could not convict him. Bill Clinton was impeached in the 1990s, and I think it was 1996, and this was for lying under oath in a deposition about whether he had sexual relationships with a woman. And the Democratic Party held the Senate, and they voted to acquit. How it works is basically the House of Representatives brings up charges for impeachment. They're the ones that work in the committee. They're the ones that get the charges, and they get this, and they bring it to a vote in the House. The House votes for impeachment, then there's going to be a trial. The trial will then happen, and how it happens is the Senate is the jury and makes the decision whether to acquit or to convict. The Supreme Court justice is basically the head of the trial and goes over the court proceedings. And the prosecutor is the House of Representatives. So with Richard Nixon, who was very seriously looked at to be removed from office, and most people believe he would have been kicked out of office, the House subcommittee had voted to impeach. They were going to bring it up for impeachment on the House floor, and then Richard Nixon resigned. So he's the only president to actually resign from office. If he had been voted for impeachment, they would have had the trial, and there's pretty much no doubt that he would have been kicked out of office. Now, that does not mean, that's basically with impeachment, the only punishment is to be kicked out of office, removed from office, and that's what it means. But you can be prosecuted for any crimes. You could go to, the Attorney General, and other lawyers, district attorneys can charge for other things. This has not happened with Bill Clinton, even though he was disbarred. Richard Nixon was pardoned of all the crimes, and then Andrew Johnson, nothing happened with that. We have removed justices from the Supreme Court. So impeachment is very important. It hasn't been used since Bill Clinton. I do know that people have wanted to impeach George W. Bush for the Iraq War. People have wanted to impeach President Obama for, Obamacare and for the illegal immigration and his executive actions, but there hasn't been any vote. There haven't been really committees set up to actually look at charges and doing this. It's just people talking politics and doing that. Impeachment's a very important issue. It's not something that we should take lightly, but we shouldn't say we're not going to do it. And it's in the Constitution. We should follow the Constitution. And if crimes have been warranted, high crimes and misdemeanors, then impeachment should be used.